Albert spends 20% of his salary on grocery, 20% of remaining amount on home loan repayment, 25% of remaining amount on education of children, 33 and 1 upon 3% of remaining on household expenses, 50% of the balance invests in mutual fund, and he still has rupees 8,000 in cash. Find his monthly salary and amount he spends on grocery. Here remaining is important for calculating remaining. After each expenses, whatever is the remaining amount, we have to calculate percent on that remaining amount. So it is just like successive discount. As we solve the questions of successive discount, similarly we have to solve the question of such type in which we have to calculate the percentage on remaining amount. Remaining is important here. So let us solve this question. Here we have to assume the salary of Albert equal to 100. He spends 20% on grocery. 20% of 100 is 20. So remaining is 80. Now on remaining 80 rupees, he spends 20% on home loan. 20% of 80 is 1/5 of 80, which is 16. Now remaining is 64. 25% of remaining, that is 25% of 64, he spends on education of children. So 25% is 16. 1/4 of 64 is 25% and 1/4 is 16. So remaining is now 48. Now 33 and 1/3% he spends on household expenses. So 1/3, 33 and 1 upon 3 is 1/3 of 48. So that is again 16. Now remaining is 32. Now 50% of balance. So balance is 32 and 50% of balance he invests on a mutual fund. 50% on mutual fund. 50% of 32 is again 16. So he is left with 16. And 16 rupees out of 100 is 16%. So 16% is 8,000. Therefore 100%. 100 is 100% equal to 8,000 divided by 16 multiplied by 100. 16 divides 8,000 for 500 times. So his salary is 500 multiplied by 100 is 50,000. So his salary is 50,000. Now 20% of this amount is spending on grocery, and 20% of 50,000 is 1/5 of 50,000, which is 10,000. So he spends 10,000 on grocery. So this way we have solved this question. His salary is 50,000 and 20% of his salary he spends on grocery, that is 10,000. We have to solve such type of question in which remaining is there. So we have to calculate the percent on the remaining amount, and we can easily solve such type of questions if we successively go on reducing the amount by the given percent and calculating the percent on the remaining amount. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.